welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. And I really appreciate it. And if this is your first time, thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you are not new, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be, I got my first ever BZZAGENT product. If you are not familiar with BZZAGENT, it is a site that you could sign up for, and periodically they will send you surveys. It's kind of like Influenster, but just a little different. It's a little harder to get things, but I got lucky this time and I did receive something, so I'm super excited. I found out from BZZAGENT from my friend here on YouTube, Marilyn Gutierrez-Solis. I will link her channel down below. She gets a ton of BZZAGENT products. I'm hoping I get many more, but this is my first. So it just says your Buzz kit is here, and it says want to receive more Buzz kits from your favorite brands, stay in the know. It's great if you have Facebook, Instagram. I don't have Twitter. I do have Facebook, but only to communicate like with family and friends from California. I'm not on there very often, but it does say that if you go and follow on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, you can be rewarded with campaigns. So, and the website is BZZAGENT.com. I will leave them linked down below for you guys. It is a free service as well. So definitely, if you love getting free products, check them out. So what they did send me is the Derma Blend Professional CC Cream Continuous Correction Full Coverage with Sunscreen. It says it tones, coverage, protection, and it has 50 SPF. Free radical defense, non-comedogenic, up to 24-hour wear, and it looks like that. And I scooted you guys in today because I feel like sometimes I'm just too far. This is in the color 20N Fair to Light. I picked this. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that it is going to match me. It looks lighter on the packaging right there. Like right there, it looks really fair, but in the packaging, it looks a little darker, so we shall see. I'm going to try this with no primer, no nothing. I've never done a BZZAGENT video, and I don't believe that a video is required. However, I'm doing it for my own self because obviously when I get things, I love to share with you guys, and I want to let you know if it is any good and all of that. You know how that goes. That's what I like to do for my channel. One that I'm going to compare it to is the CC Cream from It Cosmetics. That is the one of the CC creams I have used. And I have used tinted moisturizers and things like that, but that is the most recent CC cream that I have. So we're going to kind of compare it to that. I don't have any of that. I did finish it all up. We're just going to see how it's different from that one. I do have a sponge and a brush here that I'm going to use. I don't know which one. Usually when I apply any kind of foundation or CC cream, I like to use a sponge. So we'll try both and see. Again, this looks a little dark, even though it's light on the container. It feels very creamy. It might be a good match for me. Hopefully it doesn't oxidize. It does have a little bit of a smell. It almost smells a little bit sunscreeny, but not like overpowering or nothing bad. I do have dry, sensitive skin, aging skin, maturing skin. I have been getting like hormonal acne and things like that. So I'm going to take my Laura Lee sponge and I'm just going to blend all of that into the skin. nicely. Now on camera, I'm looking very ghostly, but in person, I promise it blends great into my skin and matches. It is a perfect match for me. Yeah, and it really did cover up these blemishes. I mean, I still see them peeking through. Let's try one more layer. And I did like a small, the first time I did was like this. Right there. Very small. And I just put it all over the face. Feels really nice. It doesn't feel heavy or anything like that, so that's great. And I love that it doesn't have like a really bad scent. Sometimes when it has SPF 50, you will get like a really bad scented product. So that's great. I would say that the coverage is very comparable to the It Cosmetics CC cream. That one is very full coverage, even though it's a CC cream. But this one is covering very, very nicely. I did not use a whole lot, and it covered great. I love CC creams, tinted moisturizers for summertime because I feel like I need that SPF, as well as, you know, you don't want the foundation to be super heavy and all of that. Wow, that looks really, really good. I know you guys can't really tell because the light is so bright, but my skin looks really great. Let me see if I could turn the light down a little bit. There we go. It really blended in nicely. It looks great, I feel like. I think it looks really good on my skin. It's not heavy, and I love that I'm dry, and it's not like adhering to my dry patches like in my nose. It's covering very, very nicely. Yeah, so far I would have to say I really, really like this. I may do a wear test. Like I said, I'm going to go off camera because I have to film another video. I wanted to do an initial try on of this, and then what I'll do is go off camera, do my other video, get all my makeup on. Once all the makeup's on, I will come back and give my final thoughts on this, and then I will probably do like a wear test for today. Yeah, so far I really do like it. I think it's very, very beautiful. I can't wait to see what it looks like with makeup on top. That was 2 small squirts, and I'm really excited to have this. So yeah, this looks very promising. We go off, finish the rest of my makeup, and I will be back and give you my final thoughts and impressions on this product. I will be back, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I have all my makeup finished. So I told you guys I would come back and I would share the final thoughts on this product, the Dermablend CC Continuous Correction Cream. I really like this. My skin looks so beautiful in person. I do have a few blemishes, but everything sat on top of it so nicely, so beautiful. Not the lipstick on my teeth. So, yeah, I really, really like this. Again, it's a perfect shade match for me. It covered my blemishes so great. You could see right here, I mean, it covered really, really well. Everything went on top of it so, so beautifully. Sit out for the rest of the day. I will be putting at the end of the video, I'll let you know my final thoughts. Do like a, I'm doing like a mini wear test. It's not going to be like all day. Right now it's about 12:30, 12:20. So I'll come back on maybe like around 7 or so, and I'll just do an update and let you guys know how it's going. Today is a gloomy, rainy day, but it is kind of humid, so that will tell you that there. But I will give you my final thoughts and everything on it then. Yeah, so like I said, from what I could see, it looks so beautiful. The skin looks great. I'm absolutely loving it. So this is going to complete my first impressions and review and unboxing of my Dermablend CC cream that I received from BZZAGENT. Again, all the information will be linked down below. I have about 7 hours or so, and so I'll let you guys know what I think. So far, a thumbs up for me, but I will be back later to tell you guys. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye, guys.